Hi, it's currently 11:20 and we are having a late start today because I worked all morning. I'm not even done my coffee. Look at that. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Today we are headed to Hakone for our hot spring onsen experience. We're gonna do an all-inclusive and we are having our own private onsen. So I'm excited to show you guys what it's gonna be like. It's gonna be my first onsen in Japan experience. My biggest problem is that I have tattoos everywhere, so I've never been able to go to an onsen and just relax and enjoy. Are you excited?
Very.
What are you most excited about?
Never been on a bullet train, but...
Yeah, we're taking a bullet train!
Shinkansen.
I've never taken a bullet train either! Gonna be the chugga choo choo. We're about to head into the Tokyo station. And then our mission for today is to find our Shinkansen bento. Man, the station's huge. Excited? We're excited, hungry, and sweaty. Look at all the food. Kenny had toast this morning, but I have not eaten yet, so I am ready to devour.
The conductor's room is in car number 8. Thank you.
We got to Odawara and we are rushing to get to our bus to Hakone. We made it on the bus.
We're melting.
I'm actually like a little dizzy from the altitude and I feel slanted, but this view is insane. push the button. Hot spring water. Wow, it's missing. So yeah. Yay! Bath time.
Look at that. You see the steam?
Oh, I feel the steam. I just showered and now I'm just sweating again. Penny's gonna go take a shower. Bye, Penny. Bye, Penny. Bye, Penny. Bye. It's nice being out in the wilderness, fresh air, waiting for your hot bath. I'm actually scared it's gonna be scalding hot. So yeah. Can you guys believe this is my view right now? Insane. It was fucking scalding hot. Fit check. I just took a bath. I hate baths, but it was so good. Keyword is free flow. Cheers! Vacation time, relaxation time, resting Japan time. It's pink now.
From the bottom.
So we couldn't use the public onsens because, well, he could. I cannot because of all my tattoos. But I still wanted the milk experience. I took a bath a few hours ago, so I'm just gonna take a sip of milk. Their coffee milk. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Wait, coffee though, right? Mm. You hear that? A cow just mooed. Currently 11 p.m. I have 2 more calls to go. One at 12, one at 12:30. Yeah, I woke up so early this morning to work, but then I slept late last night and I'm just so tired. But Just 2 more, I got this. I'm trying to wake up at 4 a.m. to catch the sunrise, and then we're probably to eat breakfast at 7 a.m. to beat rush hour. Just exhausted though. And then to top it all off, I can't tell if I have an allergic reaction going on, because this feels like a mosquito bite for sure. But my whole face is itchy now. And over here too, it's just like itchy and bumpy. That's what happens when you have too much good food all in one day. That's pretty much it for us today. Can you get a clock out soon? Hi. And then I'm probably gonna knock out immediately after my last call, so I shall see y'all tomorrow. Good night. Bye.